Hello people and welcome back, it's Matthew. It's now 8:53 p.m. I've got some free time anyway, so I'll be looking at the skies and also looking on the cams, and you'll see more evidence of strange clouds and also the darkening of the skies on this video. You can see as well that basically I believe that the main culprit of it all as well is HARP, because they spray them skies with them chemtrails, and also I believe that they're using this weapon, this tool, HARP, to basically manipulate clouds from going back and forth and spinning around and basically covering far distances of our skies as well, thousands of feet up, so we don't get to see the binary twin Nemesis and also the other celestial bodies. So they are controlling our natural skies and also using these chemicals up there to for HARP to be able to control them as well. I mean, absolutely tremendous what they're doing up there now. And they're doing this every day and getting away with it. You can see now blatantly that the skies are getting dimmer and darker every single day. So I'm going to go to the different cams now, so have a great evening, and I'll get back to you shortly. I'm going to show you now on this volcano cam in Mexico. I want to show you how dark it is, okay? There's no bright skies at all, just very dark shadows all through the day. I'm going to just tap on this now and show you. Okay, you'll see this. You'll see the haze and the stars that have gone through the night time, and now you can see now as it's progressing through the morning. Okay, through 8 a.m. and you will see it go through the time, and also just look how dark it is. Hasn't changed, does it? It's still very, very dark. It's supposed to have lit up the skies. There's not much of chemtrails up there, but just a very dark sky. So it's very strange times that we're having now. Here on this other Mexico cam, there's something strange about the sunrise. You can see the blueness, the blue colouring above the sunrise. See this now. Can you see where this takes an angle, swings to the left, and you've got this reflection from another heavenly body coming up. And also, there it is again, to the right hand side. We've got this normal shade, okay? This normal reflection that goes down. And there's not here, is it? It's not the same as this side, because we've got another heavenly body that's reflecting and covering the sun part from this side here, on the right hand side. This will be Nibiru, okay? That's heading our way now. It's just basically covering this side. It's so evident, isn't it? I mean, this side here, and we've got this huge reflection coming from the right hand side. It's always the right hand side. We've got this object, and we can't hide it on the horizon, because the horizon, the sun on the horizon now is acting strange, and then it covers it. So you can see this, can't you, on the screen? Here, this huge missing part of the sun reflection. Okay? You've always got to remember this now. To the right hand side, we're having a huge, huge celestial body that's covering in front of our sun right now. And they can't hide it. I'm going to go to another cam now. Just notice this object on the big screen. Okay? And I've zoomed in as well. Now, it could be anything, couldn't it? It could be anything. But it doesn't move with the sun. It's staying in the same place. Now, basically, we're going to see objects up there, aren't we? It's basically, it could be natural, it could be anything, or it could be something that's up there. But basically speaking, more than likely, it could just be a natural thing, you know? The sun is very blue there, isn't it? The reflections are very blue up there, aren't they? So, I can rule out that it's lens flare because it doesn't move with the sun. Basically, the sun's moving, and this object stays in the same place. But as again, I mean, today, this afternoon, I had a couple of hours of searching cams and looking around the different parts of the world with the cams as well, and noticed a lot of grey, bleak skies. So most of the good cams, sadly, were being covered by the system. So on the Mexico cams, we're seeing fairly blue skies, but still they're being sprayed with these chemtrails. So I'm going to go to another image, and then I'm going to go to the SOHO imagery, the charts, to see what we can see there about the sun as well. But all in all, it's just very important that we just focus on the cams and also look into detail as well. It's just fantastic. I'm getting emails again off other people here from the UK and also from the USA and Australia, where they're sending emails in with different images as well from different cams, and we are seeing, all of us are seeing strange objects up there. We really are now. It's time, isn't it? That the government needs to disclose this, because it's just so evident that we've got these strange objects up there now, you know? So I'm going to go to a different cam now that you can see on here, zoomed in. This isn't following the sun. It just stays where it is. It's not a lens flare. or anything like that. So anyway, we're going to go to the next cam now. On this image here, the sun's already gone down. We're getting this light source that follows the sun after it's gone down every single time. This image here, you can see this, can't you? Very strange. This was taken from last night, yesterday evening. The thing is, the up-to-date cam is still working now, but it's very hazy and very bleak, so I thought I'd show you this piece of footage. It's very important. This is not from our sun, from another body up there in the skies. I'm going to go to another cam now. This is a live cam now in Mexico. Okay? Now, again, I mean, these two fellas are down here, looking at the sun maybe, looking out to the sky, noticing how dark it is, because I would be. I'd be staring and standing there, noticing there's something very, very wrong up there in the skies. I mean, look at the darkness. I mean, look at the reflection. It's not right, is it? The blue in the middle, and also this large object that's more like a triangle or a square-shaped hexagon. Darkness here and the haze on the sea. It's just completely wrong, isn't it? This is a total eclipse. This is what we're getting now. The thing is, Nibiru is coming closer towards us, okay? And basically, it's looking bigger each time because it's heading our way away from the sun. And we're getting some real huge problems with our Earth at the moment. So, I'm going to go to another cam now. I mean, look at this. It's absolutely crazy not to think that everything's right. I mean, come on, look, it's completely wrong, isn't it? I mean, the sun, the sky, the sea, it's just black, isn't it? This is how it's supposed to be. I'm going to go to another cam now. I've just zoomed up on another Mexico cam, and this does not look like anything I've seen before. I mean, is it the moon? I don't know. I mean, look at the strange shape and all the brightness coming off it. It seems to be on an angle. It's more like an oval shape, isn't it? It's just very strange. But again, it could be something else, but it's just being persistent, looking at the different cams and seeing which object we can try and find, because we are looking for the round dwarf star and also the heavenly bodies that are up there. But this does look very strange. It looks like it's something that's just doesn't look like our moon, does it, or any other celestial body. If it's Jupiter, I don't know. I mean, come on, look at the size of it. It's a very strange shape. And I'm going to go to another image now. Here on this Mexico cam as well. I mean, look at it. I just stumbled across it. I can see the dark shadows to the right-hand side again. Up there in the skies. I mean, look at the ground. It's just too dark. Far too dark. You've got that simulator in front of the sun. It's so obvious, isn't it? The wrong colour for a start. And also, can you see where the sun is basically reflecting? And the simulator's here. I mean, it's all wrong, isn't it? Because our natural sun's behind it. You've got this object that's in the skies. Okay? It's above our atmosphere. I mean, look at this. Completely wrong. I'm going to go to a different image now. Here on this cam as well, it's very strange. Sun coming up. 9:06. Look at this. Now the thing is, there's huge reflection here. There's a lot of cloaking going on, I believe. There's so much of bits missing in the sky. I mean, watch this, okay? When this is just, I mean, it goes down, okay? And then you've got this huge sort of like light source just above it. But when you go back the way, it just fades off. There it is there, and then it just goes away. It disappears. See that? We'll go back. Can you see that now? As it's going up, it just disappears as if it's being cloaked, covered up. I apologise about the white screen, because this is what I do on the Mexico cams. Basically, you can see that, can't you? It's being covered. There's something up there, guarantee it. There's something that's behind this, all this. There is something up there. You can see these ripples as well, just very faint. They are definitely hiding these heavenly bodies up there. They really are. Can you see the way that the cloud goes down? There is something going on. You know, we want to know this, don't we? We want the military and want the government to know. But let us know. The public needs to know. But they're not going to say nothing, are they, to the very end? I'm going to go to another image now. Here's another live up-to-date cam as well in Mexico, another part of Mexico, facing north. You can see the dark sky and this object in front of our sun. Now, the thing is, at the moment, I can't flick through these cams to the evening skies because it's present now, it's live now. But I think it's very important to show you, okay, the raw footage on this cam and the other cams as well, up-to-date footage, basically to show you how dark it's getting, because it is getting terribly dark, isn't it? I mean, come on. If you were down there on the beach, just enjoying your holiday or moseying around on the beach and just going to the bar and having a drink and that, you would think, hold on a second, it's a bit dark, isn't it? Because sooner or later they're going to be walking around the beach with torches, aren't they? You know, it's going to be like that, isn't it? We are going into darkness, aren't we? We really are. We're going into darkness now. And it's not going to be long, is it, until this really happens? Because for the past couple of days here in the UK, it has got really dark. You know, even I've looked out the window and thought, hold on, you know, it is hugely dark for that time of the morning. I even had a neighbour of mine called Paul, just around the corner. I've mentioned it before in the past. He said, Matthew, it's too dark. And it is too dark. Far too dark. I mean, this just doesn't look right anymore, does it? Our natural yellow sun with the natural clouds have gone. It's all missing now, isn't it? We've got this object up there, and all these clouds are just being burnt away. I mean, they're not in front of the sun, just following the sun. It's like it's all stuck together, isn't it? I mean, look at this black sky here on the seas. They are seeing this system. Okay, it's been covered up there in Mexico. Many people have looked at the Mexico cams for many years, studied the skies, and always gone back to them because it's very strange to see this situation, because we are seeing it getting darker and darker every single day now. So I'm going to go to another image now, but I mean, you've got to admit this. You know, it's just outrageously dark, isn't it? I'm going to go to another cam. Here on this cam as well, I want you to observe the sun and watch the change of its size. Okay? Now, this isn't our natural sun, it's a disk in front of it. Now, if you noticed on the foggy mornings or very misty days and mornings, you will see this white disk in the sky. You'll notice there's something strange with the sun. Then on a clear day, we will see a very yellow bright sun, and then it's being sprayed. We don't want you to see it because of these solar flares, and also because of these solar flares, it's because we've got heavenly bodies up there that's agitating our sun every single day, every single time. Okay? And these solar flares are getting bigger, by the way, as well. Lots of people and scientists are panicking all the time about it. Now, the thing is, if I flip through this cam, watch the size of this object, proving it's not our natural sun. Okay? There is something going on with cloaking technology up there. I'll tell you what, I would love to know, and I would hope that we all find out sooner or later, because it's getting to be a bit of a situation now. Look at the size of it now. It's shrunk the size. You can see these jagged corners on the edges of it as well. I mean, clouds don't shrink the sun. Come on. There's something going on up there. You know, there really is something going on up there now. And as again, if NASA government are watching, they need to tell us now, because it's so important, because we live on this planet and we're being sprayed every day, and it's just absolutely unfair what they're doing. I'm going to go to another cam now. Here on this live up-to-date Mexico cam as well. I mean, look at this. This isn't our sun. Look how dark it is. I mean, look at the corners. Very square corners. Okay? Jagged corners. It's acting like our sun, but it's not our sun, because our sun will be bright and clear. There's a gap in the clouding. It's supposed to be brightening up the whole of the land. Look at this here. Okay? We're just getting a small bit of sunlight here. Do you know what I mean? It is just not beaming right, isn't it? Now the sun is supposed to be brightening the whole of the area now. And it's not, because it's behind this huge disk that's in our atmosphere. The sun is a long, long way away, as we all know. Okay? Now, the thing is, this situation is just outrageous. I mean, too dark. Very, very dark. Too dark. I'm going to go to another image now. Here's another image as well. There's a big giveaway that this isn't our sun. This is not our sun at all. Now look at these shadows to the right hand side. Okay, these are reflections of another object that's up there behind this huge simulator. This huge disk that's going down, it's breaking down. I mean, look at this. This left side as well. Okay, this jagged edge. Now this is another reflection that's coming through. They can't hide it. They really can't hide it with their technology, because their heavenly bodies are getting bigger now, much bigger. They are definitely using this disk up in the sky to hide our natural sun, and also other bodies behind it. It's so evident, because the darkness of the skies have proven that the natural sun is being eclipsed now. It really is. Our skies are darkening every single day. It's so important that we get the word out there, because I just want to save lives, because we need to prepare for this. It's so important. I've said it a billion times. I really do. And I'm passionate, because I just want people to understand that I'm here to basically make awareness of people that the Nibiru system is here, and it's only going to get worse. It's only going to get darker each time. This summer is going to be very strange. We're going to see some deep, dark skies. I mean, have you ever seen clouds like this before? Have you seen a system like this before? Looking out to sea, enjoying your holiday, and noticing that the skies have changed. Now we've got our natural sun behind this object up there, and also these are chemtrails that are covering our sun above. And also there's another object that's on the horizon, okay? And there's also chemtrails that are trying to hide that as well. There's two objects and a gap in the middle, proving that we've got two celestial bodies up there now. We've got our natural sun, this stupid object, this simulator. I mean, come on, it needs to be shot out of the sky, doesn't it? I mean, it's getting to a point now that it really needs to be pulled down now, because it's been up there too long. And also now, this object is coming up on the horizon, big star, isn't it? I mean, look at this. We've been looking at the blue object coming up on the horizon. Now they are chemtrailing and hiding it. Now, natural clouds will go over to a light source and also a heat source. It's just to basically protect our planet. The thing is, the big giveaway is that they're doing it to two objects now. Two objects. I'm going to go to a different image now, a different cam. This is the Sky Alert cam as well. This was taken from yesterday, okay, because it's very cloudy today on the Sky Alert cam. Just very, very, very grey clouds. And I noticed this as well. You can see this reddish pink reflection of the volcanic dust. And also when you go through the cam, it changes its colour. You've got the natural sun colour coming through there. This colour, and then when you go again, you've got this blue colour. So I believe that we've got the this colour from the binary twin reflections, and also you've got the blue reflection as well. So it's just basically the white screen as well, and it's very dark, isn't it? Again, when you flip through the cam, it's very dark. It gets darker as well, doesn't it, through the day? I mean, come on, these heavenly bodies have got so close now to us. I mean, the thing is, they're on the way now, aren't they? They're on the way, because look how dark it is. Just really, really dark, isn't it? I mean, the sky is bleak. It's not blue and healthy anymore. I mean, we are in end times, I believe, you know. It's just looking at the evidence on the cameras. It's just, the skies are very dim, aren't they? This is a live volcano motion cam, and you can see the plasma. And also, I mean, the thing is, you've got the natural clouds being pushed down. And also, I mean, come on. I mean, look at the state of this system above the volcano. I mean, it's not moving, is it? It's like stuck in the sky, isn't it? These cameras, I mean, the sky is so dark and dim. And also, the strange colouring on them clouding, some of the orange effect. I mean, it's just all changed, isn't it? It's all changed. Never seen this before on the volcano cam. The strangeness of these clouds. And how dark it is as well. I mean, we are in a situation right now, aren't we? And I believe in the past that the Sumerians had seen all this. They really have seen all this. If they were alive now, they'd be screaming at us now, wouldn't they? Telling us to prepare. Telling us that this has happened before. And they've seen these clouds, the evidence of what's going on. They did not have the chemtrails up there to hide their skies. They saw their fate coming. They saw it coming, and it's so important that we need to be awake to this now. Because as I said before, there's people like Lord Pi and also other excellent scientific people and researchers that have got their channels, researching their work. They know it's there. They know it's coming, because they're standing their ground. They're not giving up, and they're just carrying on. And you know, the subscribers that listen to the channel and other channels as well, they know it's on its way. I mean, look how things have changed in our skies. Last year, the year before that, it wasn't as bad as this. It really wasn't. Very, very strange skies. I'm going to go to a different cam, and then after that I'm going to go to look at the SOHO charts. One of the charts as well, they've got their eye on this solar flare, this huge hole that basically is facing towards our Earth right now. Time's down at the top there, 12th of February. So they're keeping an eye on this on the charts right now. Here on this chart, it's still evident that there's lots of trash being thrown about out there, like the sun is. And all these huge light sources from solar flares that are coming through as well. Lots and lots of trauma going on out there, isn't there? Lots of objects, comets, and trash that's being pushed about right now. Spinning everywhere. Nibiru nemesis. The moons have knocked a lot of things out of place up there. They are heading towards us now. It's so important that we get the message out there. So I'm going to go to another cam now to see if we can find another chart. Here is a NOAA chart as well, space weather overview. On the left-hand side you can see here with the solar proton flux and the geomagnetic activity and all the other diagrams and information. It says here no radio blackouts were observed over the past 24 hours, so they aren't worried about it. they are worried about it and they're keeping an eye on it all the time. So it's just basically a chart that they show, and basically they are onto it. So NOAA are watching the sun every single day, and it's just a situation that anything can happen. Anything. A blackout can happen at any time now. The sun is burning twice as much now, and they are worried about a blackout. They really are. So I'm going to go to another chart now and show you some more information. More information on this chart as well about the coronal holes. I mean, they are basically keeping an eye on this and also checking the size of these things every single day. Okay, now you can see the timestamp at the bottom there as well. You can see the size of these coronal holes that are on the sun's surface. I mean, the size of them now, they've got huge. They've got a lot bigger now. And checking the charts every day, I have seen that they have got a lot bigger now. These huge holes in our sun. You know, it's devastating to see the size of them. And, I mean, gosh, I mean, the Earth is just nothing compared to the sun. And these are starting to get bigger now. This is another CME solar activity chart where they're just basically keeping an eye on the size of these solar flares that are hitting our atmosphere through our magnetic fields. They're basically getting stronger by the day. They really are getting stronger by the day now. Our Earth is being pelted every single day, so they need to keep an eye on this, as I said before. And they're bringing up new charts every day to keep an eye on what's going on. So we, down here on Earth, we're just carrying on our day-to-day activities and not realizing what's going on. I mean, there's a huge event going on right above our atmosphere now. And it's the sun. It's falling apart. Things are going off up there now. And our skies are dimming because of this, because they're using this huge disk, and also with these huge celestial bodies that are eclipsing our sun now as well. I mean, the sun just wants them gone. Doesn't want it anymore. It just wants peace and wants to carry on its normal activity, not to be like this. I'm going to go to another chart. This is another solar ultraviolet chart, okay, and it basically checks for comets and asteroids and other things that are going past our atmosphere as well. So just another chart to keep an eye on as well. It's very interesting. It's in ultraviolet light, so it's just another sort of like using other filters and things. I'm going to go to another chart now. This is called a Swan-Lithium Alpha Whole Sky Map chart. Okay, now I've read the information on this as well. There's apparently two areas that are not covered because of safety reasons. Now they've just left it there, that comment, and basically it just sounded pretty strange really, where they've not covered two areas, here and here. Okay, now this is sky area. This is not Earth. This is our space where we see our stars, and also with the sun and the solar flare activity. And basically it's ecliptic coordinates, and basically there is something strange why they're covering that part of the sky, isn't it? You know, I mean, there's no reason to do that, is there? So it's going to be interesting to look at this as well, this chart. This also is a solar soft X-ray chart, okay? And basically what it does is it just looks at the changes of the solar flares and things, of what's going up there in the skies. So basically they track everything from small solar flare activity to large EUV flux activity. I'm going to go to a different one now. This one is called a sun and spectrum chart, and also another one that's basically monitoring the solar flare activity. And I remember I showed you another chart before, about a week and a half ago, where this was quite low. It's very high on this one. So the thing is, I mean, just checking to get the truth really, because as I say, media will lie and things will go up on the internet, and that's just being misinforming us, you know. So stop people worrying, but we need to know, don't we? We want the truth. Then I go to a different chart. This is another star systems chart, okay, that we get to see at night time. And they're pointing something out down here. What is this? It could just be a natural thing, but I mean, you know, I mean, the thing is, they're blocking out parts of this as well. I mean, what is this? Is this our sun? I mean, something going on, isn't there? So I'm going to go to a different chart now. This one here is a galactic cosmic ray chart, okay? Now, basically, there is a diagram showing on this chart, the oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon. So they're basically all the energy and everything. Just basically these cosmic rays that are causing problems to our Earth. And there's a lot of things going on up there, isn't there? You know, and also in space right now, there's lots of strange things going on, and we need to know, don't we? And by looking at all these other bits of information that have been hidden into the depths of the internet, it's so important that we can pull them out and read them and study them, like, you know. So this is what I'm doing for you, and I'm going to go to another chart now. It's another chart showing another object. I mean, is this our sun or is it the moon? I mean, The thing is, though, it's coming up on the screen, and also it's not saying any information about this. Okay? It's not saying a single word. The thing is, though, it's just important that we look at these snippets of information, isn't it? Because they don't hide it. I mean, the thing is, though, it's just basically in their archives, isn't it? Basically, we're here to find and dig deeper and deeper to see information. Pull anything out to see what we can find. It's going to carry on with another chart. Here's another chart that I found as well earlier on today. I mean, you can see this, can't you? This object that's being recorded. Okay. Now this is out in space as well. They've been basically checking the size of this thing and also watching it as it's going through. Now, is this a solar flare or is this an object? Very strange, isn't it? Because there are many charts, but the thing is, though, it's always coming up for safety reasons. We can't disclose the information, and we're having to cut pieces of information. Now, again, it could just be something that's been tracked in the past, okay? But the thing is, I mean, these charts are showing, most of them are showing up-to-date dates. Now, NASA at the moment have kept quiet. They've not said anything or come out into the public yet, have they? I mean, nothing's being said, is it? So I'm going to go to another piece of information. Here's another piece of information, the breeze from the stars. Okay, this is from the SOHO. And basically there's another chart basically that's checking other situations with our sun as well. And basically goes through the months and things. So I'll be checking all these charts, see what I can find. And it's good to learn as well to get knowledge from these charts as well, to be able to give past the information to yourselves, to see what's going on. So I'll be reading these tomorrow, we're looking into them and seeing what they're all about. It's very interesting. So I'll just check something else now for you. I mean, look at this. I mean, this is taken a short time ago, but I mean, the thing is, this image, I mean, look at the size. It shows you the size of these solar flares that come through. There is something that's causing this on the right-hand side again. There is something that's making the sun agitated on the right-hand side. Always happens on this side. So that's why our skies are darkening, because they're cloaking that side of the sun. Okay? Because we've got the heavenly bodies that are there, and also with the solar flare activity. I mean, it's just so evident, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to go to another piece of information for you. We've got the Hilton Beach camp. This is in Florida. But the thing is, you can see that plasma on the horizon there, can't you? Okay. Now, as I said before on my videos as well, I'm not going to get it all right, am I? You know, but it's just being observant, isn't it? And just trying to get as much information as possible, and to try and get the right footage on the cams, because, as I've said before, some parts of the world are not going to see anything for weeks. Okay, and as Earth rotates and it's moving through its course, other parts of the country are going to see it, and they're chemtrail the skies all the time to hide it. So they don't want the public to see it, you see, to stop mass panic. Now, as I say, here in the UK, it's very dark, very, very dark in February, and we all know this. Other parts of the world will get like natural looking skies. They won't see it, because they're on the other side of the world. They're not going to see it, because where Earth is rotating, where we've got these other big cities and countries on the planet, they are missing it, so they won't get to see it. It's only when Earth changes its course, then they will start seeing it, and their skies will be darkened again. So it's just being observant and looking at the different cams, because it's quite bizarre to see other parts of the world don't see it, and then I realise this is what's happening. It's because our Earth is changing and rotating, and basically they won't see it. So I'm going to try some Russian cams tomorrow to see what we can find, and also we'll check the other cams as well. Anyway, so have a safe evening and a safe night wherever you are in the world. And respect to you. It's been a pleasure to show you these images, and I will be back again tomorrow from Matt Rogers.